So for us, for this generation, mobile phones are our medium of communication.
Going into this digital age, this global community that we're going to be living in, we need to be able to communicate with one another, and the easiest way, I believe, to bridge in the gaps is through storytelling.
We are here in South Africa, in Johannesburg, teaching young people how to make films on their mobile phones.
The workshop that I went to last year was a life-changing experience for me. Basically, I was taught on how to do short films using a cell phone and try and educate people through that mode. This year I'm facilitating, and now there's a group of other young people who will also be joining me in this project.
The workshop is 3 days. It's supported by Vodacom, one of the mobile operators here in South Africa.
We were approached by GSMA and UNICEF about this workshop. The whole process is using cell phones to tell stories. And being a mobile operator, for me, that is huge.
And bringing such a platform whereby I could bring the voices of young people from where I come from and basically tell their story, the way they tell it.
One doesn't realize the power of a story, but it literally changes people's lives and perspectives.
They're so comfortable with the technology, and so to give them that piece of equipment in their hands, and by the end of that training, they're able to complete very powerful films.
We can access people's attention quicker through our phones.
We've been in the classroom a little bit, going through the whole production process, from research to planning their film, to some scripting, to then actually using the equipment, talking to potential interview subjects to make the film.
Today we came with all our 10 students of the training to VIT. Today it's more of a practical session with them.
We're basically taking what we learned in the training and we're putting it to work.
So we've been split into 3 teams. Our team is focusing on discrimination.
We're focusing on gender-based violence. So what we're trying to do is call for action. We really do want to hear what young people have to say. I think mobile operators are in a very good position because we offer connectivity. This is such an amazing thing that young people can voice out their opinions about politics, about societal challenges. Young people can actually tell their story wherever they are. They have a spirit inside them and they have lots and lots of energy. They are the voice of change. So I really would encourage mobile operators to get involved.